because we need to score good, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna do a little bit of revision and then start studying for my social exam. Alright, so this is 4:30 in the evening and I am studying the poem which is the Rime of an Ancient Mariner, and it's a long poem, like it is divided into two parts and still a part is so long. So I'm studying it from YouTube. The channel is English Academy. I studied from her for the very first time and it was a great experience. Like she taught each and every line very simply and it was so easy to understand the whole poem. Let me know how you guys prefer studying for English. For me, I personally write down the explanations on the side by page, which helps me, regain the knowledge once I go through them again. Also, my English exam is tomorrow and I'm a bit confident about it, but the only thing which sucks is that the poems, they are so twisted that it gets sometimes really hard to understand. But yeah, I know I can do this. Alright, while I was studying, my mama made these chini ke parathe and they were so tasty and they were a good company for me while studying. So I completed the first part of the poem by 5:11 and it was just the first part, like seriously. Now the second part was easy, so it didn't took me so much time and I completed the whole thing by 5:35. After 1 hour of break, I returned to my desk and started studying the third chapter of civics, which is gender, religion and caste. Actually, I did the first part, which is gender, the day before, and right now I am studying the second part, which is religion. So right now I am taking lecture from the YouTube channel Sunlight Studies. As an Arambhian, I am not watching the previous lectures of Digraj sir because they are just too long for me to complete the syllabus right now, and even for revision that too. And right now I'm making revision notes, not the actual notes. Yeah, I do that. But Digraj sir is a great teacher, but the thing is that I already took his lectures in the Arambh batch and I don't want to rewatch them as they were too long, and the live classes are always too long, so I just prefer doing the revision from YouTube. I took a break in the middle of the session to help my brother for his exam, which was the next day, and I completed the whole thing by 8:30 with